Rothenberger is one of the world's leading suppliers of pipe tools and equipment in the sanitary, refrigeration, air conditioning, environment, and gas sectors. Here at our Kelkheim site, we are the Global Competence Center for Press Technology in the Rothenberger Group. We have a very complicated assembly here at the site because we assemble the pressure heart, which is the heart of every press machine. We've had problems with the turnover of our employees. Employees who were not with the company for very long had to frequently stop to consult the complex assembly instructions, which takes time. Industrial engineering was tasked with finding a system solution that would allow us to ensure that the complex assembly process was zero defect. We carried out a market analysis, took a close look at 4 suppliers, and after analyzing the market situation, we decided on Sarissa. We decided in favor of Sarissa because Sarissa is the only supplier who offers a laser-supported factory guidance system, which not only enables the accurate picking of the individual components, but also makes each assembly step visually unmistakable to the worker in real time by use of the laser. With the help of Sarissa, we not only provide the operator with digital assembly instructions for each individual assembly step, but we also help to make the individual assembly steps easier by means of laser guidance. As a result, we were able to reduce the training phase from 4 weeks to 1 week. The objective was an innovative laser worker guidance system, which takes us a big step towards our zero defect goal. In addition, we were able to generate an increase in productivity while maintaining the highest quality standards. Communication with Sarissa has been goal-oriented right from the start and built on mutual trust. We are very happy with Sarissa, and that's why we plan to roll it out in the Rothenberger Group.